Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to insert pi symbol in Word. So there is two methods. First one slow and second one is fastest. So firstly we will see slow method and usual method. Almost people are using to insert pi. This one symbol, insert and symbol. Then more symbols. Here select normal text. Then here select Greek, and here you will see pi symbol. So to find out, type this code 03A0. So you will see this pi symbol. Click on insert. This is the normal way. And this character code 03C0, this is the small. So first one, this one is the uppercase capital pi, and this one is the small letter. Insert it. So this is the way guys you can insert pi. And fastest way, insert symbol, more symbols, and make sure guys it will take the only just first time, and after that you can type easily pi in just 1 or 2 seconds. So select firstly this uppercase pi, autocorrect, and type this formula. This is not compulsory, you can type your own text here. Pi 1, this is the, for me this is the uppercase, 1 is uppercase. Okay, now I will create here. Okay, type here pi 1. Now select here this uppercase, autocorrect. Now /pi 2, then click on add, click on OK, close. Now here guys I will show you how to type easily in just 1 or 2 seconds. Just type this one pi 1. So this is the uppercase, similarly pi 2. So small and capital pi, and fastest way. Once you need, just type this your own shortcut.